Okay, dear students, observe the question. In a non-right angle triangle PQR, let a small PQR denotes the lengths of the sides opposite to the angles at capital PQR respectively. The median from R meets the side PQ at S. The perpendicular drawn from P meets the side QR at E. And RS and PE intersect at O if small p is equal to root 3 and q is equal to 1. And the radius of the circumcircle of the triangle PQR is equal to 1. Then which of the following options are correct? The first option, length of RS is equal to root 7 by 2. Second option, length of OA is equal to 1 by 6. Third option, radius of inner circle of triangle PQR is equal to root 3 by 2 into 2 minus root 3. And fourth option, area of triangle SOE is equal to root 3 by 12. Okay, actually this is the question from JEE Advanced 2019 from paper 1 from second section. That is more than one option type question. Okay, now we have to solve this question. Right. So from the given question construction we have to draw the diagram. Now this is the triangle. We have to take a triangle. So this is the triangle. Right. This is P and Q and R. Opposite sides lengths. Here it is small p root 3. Here it is small q 1. Here it is small r is 1. Right. Now it is angle P. It is angle Q. It is angle R. That's all. And also given this is the perpendicular drawn from P to the side QR meet at E. And RS is the median. RS is the median through R. So this is S, RS. So these PE and RS meet at O. That's all. So that is the given question construction. Now we know that from properties of triangles according to the sine rule formula. Now solution for that. So opposite side by opposite angle of the sine function, that is small p by sine of angle P is equal to small q by sine of angle Q is equal to 2 times of radius of circle. That's why let us take small alpha is equal to 1 be the circumradius. Suppose you have to take it is circumradius. Then it is alpha, that is 2 alpha. That's why we have to simplify this one. Root 3 by sine P. Sine capital P is equal to 1 by sine Q is equal to 2 into alpha is nothing but 1. That's all. 2 into 1, 2. So from this here sine P is equal to root 3 by 2 and sine Q is equal to 1 by 2. So the value of sine P root 3 by 2, then P is equal to 60. P is equal to 60 or 120 degrees and Q is equal to 30 degrees or 150 degrees. That's why from the given question construction it is a non-right angle triangle. That means suppose the sum of two angles is 90, then other angle is 90. That's why that's not correct. That's why you have to take if P is equal to 120 degrees, then we have to take Q is equal to 30 degrees. So we have to consider P 120, then Q 30. So these two angles satisfy from the given question construction, satisfy the conditions. Now from this, if P 120 Q 30, then what is R? R is also 30, since the sum of angles is 180. Now from this we have to find small r. Small r is equal to, from properties of triangles, small r means, that means C is equal to 2r sin C. That means small r is equal to 2r. R is nothing but alpha sine of capital R. That's why according to that, small r is equal to 2 into alpha. Alpha is 1 and sine 30 is 1 by 2. Here it is 2 into 1 by 2. That is 1. That's why, so P is equal to root 3 and small q is equal to 1. R is equal to 1. That's why R is also 1. So it is isosceles triangle. Therefore, PQR is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Okay. That's why in isosceles triangle, height or perpendicular drawn to P to the opposite side is nothing but median. Since this is the median, this is the median. Then O is the centroid. That's why O represents, O is called centroid. O is called centroid. Since in isosceles triangle, these are the medians. Since the altitude is nothing but altitude and median coincide. That's why this is centroid. Okay. Now O is called centroid. That's all. So first we know that RS is the median, length of the median. Now length of RS, that means length of the median formula, that is 1 by 2 into square root of P square, 2P square plus 2Q square minus R square, that is 1 by 2 into square root of, what is 2P square? 2 into P square, that is 6 plus 2 minus 1, that is root 7 by 2. That's why length of RS is root 7 by 2. So first option is correct. Right. Now we are going to find PE. That means this median, length of PE. Now length of PE. Another median, that is 2 into root of Q square, 2Q square plus 2R square minus P square, that is 1 by 2 into square root of 2 plus 2 minus 3, that is 1 by 2. Okay. Now actually what is the required, that means OE is equal to 1/3 of PE. Now OE is equal to length of OE is equal to 1/3 of PE. Since PE is median, O divides the median into two equal parts. That's why since O divides PE in the ratio 2:1. That's why OE is equal to, length of OE is equal to 1 by 3 into 1 by 2. That is 1 by 6. That's why, so length of OE is equal to 1 by 6. That is, second option is correct. Now we are going to find end radius formula. In radius, small r is equal to delta by s. Small r is equal to delta by s. Actually, what is delta? ABC by 4r. That means here P, Q, R by 4 alpha. R is alpha. That's why this is root 3 into 1 into 1. Root 3 by 4 into 1. 4. Delta is root 3 by 4. Now, S is equal to P plus Q plus R by 2. Since semi-perimeter, that is root 3 plus 1 plus 1, 2 by 2. That's why small r is equal to this one by this 2. 2 times gets cancelled, root 3 by 2 into 2 plus root 3. Now we have to rationalize the denominator, then it gives root 3 by 2 into 2 minus root 3. That's why that is. So third option is also correct. Third option is also correct. Third option is also correct. Now we have to verify area of triangle SOE. To find area of triangle SOE, observe. So this is ortho center. No, sorry, this is centroid. O is centroid. That's why point of intersection of medians. This is one median, this is one median. Suppose you have to take this is another median. Then this triangle, this part SOE triangle is 1/3 of, suppose you have to take it is F. If it is taken as the median, then F. SEF. So SOE is 1/3 of SEF. That's why area of triangle SOE is equal to 1/3 of area of triangle SEF. Actually, SEF triangle area is 1/4 of total triangle area. 1/4 of total triangle area. That's why it is 1 by 3 into 1/4 of area of triangle PQR. Area of triangle PQR. That's why it is 1 by 12 into, what is area of triangle PQR? That is root 3 by 4. Root 3 by 4. That's why it is root 3 by 48. Root 3 by 48. But given there it is root 3 by 12. That's why fourth option is not correct. So first option is correct, second option is correct, and third option is correct. Fourth option is not correct. That's all. Okay, right.